In our solar system, there is a giant, a world so massive and so ancient that it stands in a class entirely its own. As we look out across the planets orbiting our sun, one immediately dominates the view. We begin to move toward it, stars streaking past, the planet growing larger with every second. Its curved horizon stretches endlessly beneath a vast and silent black sky. This is Jupiter, and nothing in our solar system comes close. Beside Jupiter, Earth is nothing more than a marble. More than 1,300 Earths would fit inside its enormous volume. Looking up from beneath it, its scale becomes almost impossible for the human mind to process. Its gravity is so powerful it visibly warps the space around it. And across its surface, massive rivers of ammonia clouds swirl and churn in slow, endless motion, a planet perpetually alive with weather. For more than 350 years, a single storm has never stopped spinning on Jupiter. The Great Red Spot, a deep crimson vortex, is wider than the entire planet Earth. Up close, its structure is overwhelming, layer after layer of churning cloud, all rotating in a slow and violent spiral. Place Earth beside it, and it disappears. This storm has outlasted every civilization in recorded human history, and it continues to rage today. Jupiter has no solid surface, no ground to stand on, no shore, no bedrock. Descend into its atmosphere and the clouds grow denser, darker, and more violent with every kilometer. Deeper still, pressure becomes so extreme that hydrogen transforms into a liquid metal unlike anything found on Earth. Jupiter formed from the same raw ingredients as our Sun, and within its endless storms, lightning flashes silently illuminate the cloud layers from within. Jupiter commands 95 known moons, more than any other planet in our solar system. Io, the most volcanic world we have ever found, blazes with eruptions across its sulfur-covered surface. Europa drifts in silence beneath a fractured shell of ice, with Jupiter hanging enormous in the sky above it. Beneath that ice, scientists believe an entire ocean of liquid water waits in darkness. All of this was first discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610 through a handheld telescope. Jupiter's gravity reaches far across the solar system, silently redirecting asteroids that would otherwise threaten the inner planets. In 1994, the world watched as comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 broke apart and struck Jupiter in a series of catastrophic impacts, each explosion larger than Earth itself. While Jupiter absorbed every blow, our planet remained untouched. Earth stayed serene and blue in the distance. Jupiter has been pulling threats away from us for billions of years, a silent, invisible guardian. Since 1973, humanity has been sending spacecraft to explore Jupiter up close. Voyager flew past and sent back the first detailed images of its storms and moons, changing everything we thought we knew. Today, the Juno spacecraft continues to orbit Jupiter, diving closer to its clouds than any probe in history. Back on Earth, scientists receive each new image with genuine awe. And above Jupiter's poles, enormous ultraviolet auroras blaze in silence, more powerful than any aurora ever seen on Earth. At the very beginning of our solar system, before Earth existed, before Mars took shape, Jupiter was already here. It formed first, condensing from gas and dust while everything around it was still chaos. Its gravity organized the planets, cleared the debris, and made stable orbits possible. From Earth, Jupiter appears as a quiet point of light in the night sky. But that light has been watching over us for 4.6 billion years. Jupiter did not just witness the history of our solar system, it wrote it.